Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
No, the team is not a stranger to us anymore. Of course, they might change tactics. So it don't matter to us how we win. You know, sometimes it comes late. Whenever it comes, we'll be grateful. We're not going to be just going at them and risking everything. No, we still have to play properly, so we'll do that.
Team Cavalier is home, is your people, difficult opponent, but my team is preparing hard work, hard mentality, and go for the victory in this stadium.
Tonight's match kicks off at 7 p.m. Experienced FIFA referee instructor Peter Prendergast says he's committed to putting an end to uncalled for outbursts from the bench that have fueled negative reaction from players on the field. His comments come following Monday night's incident where the game between Waterhouse and Chapelton Maroons was held up twice for several minutes because of the antics from Chapelton's goalkeeper Prince Daniel Smith. Controversy ensued when the assistant referee ruled that the ball had crossed the line from a free kick, which resulted in the equalizer for Waterhouse. Smith, who claimed the ball did not cross the line after hitting his body, aggressively confronted the assistant referee on the sideline, with fans also getting involved, one of whom threw liquid from a glass bottle at Smith. Enraged, Smith tried to jump the perimeter fence, but was held back by players. He was subsequently booked for a second time, which resulted in a red card.
What we're having sometimes, and I promise you we're going to deal with it, is that a lot of this is fueled from the benches. The coaches are getting away with too much, and it spills onto the pitch. The protesting, the gesticulation, the pointing to the fourth official, the questioning of referee decision. These things we have to clip it because it fuels what happens out there on the pitch. So I'm telling you, we are going to insist, we're going to push the referees to take better control of the technical area and the behavior of the coaches and the staff on the bench.
Finally, last season's being a finalist, Mount Pleasant FC will look to take sole leadership of the Jamaica Premier League when they play away to Dunbeholden FC in their rescheduled game this afternoon. Mount Pleasant, who are yet to lose this season, are fourth on 12 points, just two behind leaders Montego Bay United and second place Waterhouse, which means victory will take them to the top of the table. They will come up against the Dunbeholden team who are at the foot of the table but are coming off their first win, having clipped Harbourview 1-0 at home on Sunday. Match time is 3 p.m. And that's it for your Midday Sports. I'm Renardo Brown.
Thanks, Renardo. And that's the Midday News. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.